What's up, y'all? Back at it with another video, man. Today, first vlog of the summer. I'm done with my finals, which is cool. So pretty much now, I'm about to be dropping a whole lot more content back to back to back. I was gonna say a video a day, but I don't know if I'm gonna go that hard. So just that we're gonna be dropping hella videos with the car, a lot more mods. And yeah, so this is gonna be the first vlog in many for the summer. It's gonna be a crazy summer. And yeah, so basically right now I'm gonna go to my first meet that I'm actually gonna vlog. I haven't really vlogged any of the meets. My car is super dirty right now. So I'm gonna go meet up with my homie Hunter. We're gonna wash our cars and then we're gonna meet up with some more homies and then we're gonna go to the meet. So yeah, y'all, that being said, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I meet up with Hunter. So yeah.
I just got my guapa. 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 I just got my.
Did you start raw? First fucking vlog of summer, man.
I think it's warming up right now.
Scrubby dub dub.
You said what?
Scrubby dub dub.
Man.
Let's die. Wait, where's the dryer at, bro?
Right behind you. That tunnel.
Real?
That shit's smooth. But you still gonna have to wipe your shit off a little bit afterwards.
No cap, my boy needs that washing too, man. Early boy. Man, one of my headlights broke, yo. I can really say, like, I'm freaking pissed, bro. Like, one of my halos doesn't work anymore. I hit the dude up. He said he's gonna fix it, but I don't really want to be without my car, so I'm not gonna bug him. But it's like, bruh, like, it's summer. Like, I need my halos. Like, oh yeah, and I took the splitter off too. And I'm gonna talk about that too, but not right now. So yeah. Quick little gas run, man. Hungry. Man.
Bro, look at my shit. My shit about to be high. I'm already done. Too nice.
Man, you know there's a meet tonight. The Z01 at the gas station. Clean, bro. First meet.
You already right?
Who cares? Suck it!
Damn. That shit sucking.
Which one is it? Oh, I don't have it, bro. Why would you hit me?
Hello, motherfucker.
Oh, shit. Alright, bro, we gotta go over here.
No, you're not going to double back. Stop! No, stop. Does he make money off this?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Man, who? Is that a fucking Tomei fucker? Is that a Tomei fucker? Damn, I know this is a Tomei for sure, bro. Is that a motherfucking Tomei dog? Yeah, that motherfucker's fat. That shit's clean. Okay.
Trying to go buy chargers.
Oh shit, where are they? Right? I don't see the charger. It's another day on the block. That boy TC, man.
I thought this shit from fucking Wisconsin, my nigga.
That motherfucker.
This shit fucking clean too.
That shit. TC.
But think I just got this shit, so I ain't even mad.
That shit nice, bro. I'm not even gonna cap.
Look at the lights too.
The start, my nigga.
That boy TC.
Bro, like literally, my nigga, like look at this shit. Fucking, I got sport mode, sport plus mode, nigga. I got eco, I got eco pro, nigga. I got traction shit, my nigga. Got comfort, nigga. I got all that shit.
Bro, so who's all ridden it so far?
Just Ivory and that's it, nigga. Ivory went around the block and you know that's it, my nigga. No one's really taking that ride with this shit. It was really just me. Soon as we dropped off, soon as we went to Omaha, my nigga, we stopped at the crib, bro, and literally I just fucking pulled off into the freeway, and bro, this shit's fucking ridiculous. I ain't gonna hold you. It's like I thought this shit would just be better than my 3 Series, bro. But literally, this shit like 10 times better.
Starting to act up.
Hey, I'm gonna act up too.
Man, let me see something, TC.
Let me show you something.
Man, let me see something,
Let me
man.
show you something. Hold up.
Let me
Hold
see
up.
something.
Hey, yo, let me open up the valves real quick. Let me.
No cap, I wouldn't.
Let me open up the valves real quick. No, man. You don't know valves. Are you ready?
Yeah, let me hear that motherfucker. This nigga TC, man. Oh my goodness. Oh shit. Alright, we can. 40.
I just got my guap. Ayy. Bought the whole store, bitch. Fucking Supreme pop up. Came up off the drugs, now I'm turning my whole block up. I don't know that fucking pussy boy, he an imposter. Shoot that nigga in this fucking bitch, I'm just imposter. I don't rock with snakes, so I don't rock with fakes, so pull up in a race.